Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these really pretty terrariums for my kitchen windowsill using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used 3 of the glass candle holders, 2 of the fishbowl candle holders as well, 1 of the garden dishes, some white acrylic paint and sponge brush, my gemstone stickers, succulent plants and stones, my E6000 hot glue gun and glue sticks. I have a complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use my E6000 to attach my fishbowl candle holder on top of my glass candle holder. To do so, I simply laid my fishbowl candle holder on its side, attached it to the top of my second candle holder, and added a little weight to both pieces to keep them in place until they dried. I repeated those steps to make a second terrarium, and I also added my garden dish on top of my third candle holder as well. Once those pieces were dry, I added about 3 coats of my acrylic paint. For the garden dish, I only added the paint to the bottom half of that terrarium. For my fishbowl terrariums, I added the same acrylic paint to the bottom candle holder and around the sides of my fishbowl candle holders as well. As you can see, for the second and third coats, I use the sponging method. I simply used my sponge brush and gently tapped the sponge brush on the glass to give the paint a more textured look. "24 hours later, I added my gemstone stickers to my terrariums around the sides of my fish bowls and to the bottom candle holders as well. I then removed the clip from my succulent clips and then added some stones to my terrarium and added a succulent right on top. And here was my finished look. I was really happy with how this project turned out. My terrariums are really pretty, very unique, and definitely add spring with a touch of glam to my kitchen. I'd also like to share with you guys how I made this really pretty silver metallic floral topiary using Dollar Tree items as well. So if you're interested in how I made this piece, then just continue watching. For this project, I used one of the plastic planters, some wood dowels, 3 of their foam balls, some hydrangeas, some floral foam, gemstone stickers, my glitter that I had from Walmart, my Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, glue gun, and glue sticks. Again, I'll have my complete list down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use a screwdriver to help me make a hole in my foam ball. I then inserted a wood dowel in that ball and then added a second ball to the other end of the wood dowel. I then used some hot glue to attach some floral foam to the bottom of my planter. I also added some of the paper that I got from Dollar Tree. This was the paper that the cashier actually wrapped my candle holders in. I simply wanted to pack the floral foam and the paper as tightly as possible in the bottom of my planter. Next, I removed my hydrangea petals from their stems, and then I used my hot glue to attach them to the bottom ball. I then began adding the petals to my second ball as well, but this time I added fewer petals. This was because I wanted my bottom ball to appear to be larger than the one on top. I also used a pair of scissors to trim and perfect the roundness of each of my balls. You'll see me remove the glue strings and then just slightly trim each of them to perfect their shape. To add more height to my design, I decided to add a third ball on top. As you can see, I use various colors of the hydrangeas, and that's because I'm going to spray paint my design in the end. But if you like the traditional floral colors, you could have just picked one color for all 3 balls and left the design as is, because I think it really looks pretty as it is. But because you know I'm a glam girl, I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it a really good coat of my spray paint. And before that paint dried, I added some glitter right on top. And once I was happy with my spray paint and glitter, I added a layer of the Mod Podge sealant spray. I already had this on hand, but this step is optional. If you like to seal the glitter with Mod Podge purchased from the Dollar Tree, that would work as well. Once my design was dry, I brought it back in and I added some of those white stones that I had left from my first project to the planter. This added some weight to the bottom of my design and also enhanced the overall look as well. To complete the project, I added some of the Gemstone Stickers around the planter, and here was my finished look. I think that my glam floral topiary turned out beautiful, and it fits perfect on the small table in my foyer. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.